This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Temple Run app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from Temple Run app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn them off permanently. So if you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to stop these pop-up notifications, first you have to access the info page of Temple Run app, and I'm going to do it on Android smartphone. Now, there are two ways you can get to the info page. In the first method, go to settings, and then from settings, go ahead and tap on it. And from here, go ahead and look for the option called apps. And here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. And under this, you'll see this option called manage apps or all apps. And then tap on it to open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, go ahead, scroll down until you get to Temple Run. Alternatively, you can search for the app from here. And here's the app. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now under this, you can see we are on info page, and this is where we want to do our settings. Alternatively, if this is a long process, then let me show you the shortest method or the shortcut method to get to this page. And for this, just go to your app, and then once you get to your app, just go ahead and long press on it, and then look for this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take us to the same page of app info. Now from here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. Currently, you can see notifications are turned on, and that's why we have yes here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have quite a number of notifications that are on, and we need to go ahead and turn them off. Now, instead of turning one by one, to permanently switch all these notifications off, you just need to go ahead and toggle this show notifications button off by tapping on it like that, and all the other notifications will be switched off. By doing this, you would have permanently turned off pop-up notifications from Temple Run game app. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.